Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon and I am a dragon today. This is my magical unicorn Chappy, who's not going to participate apparently. Today we're bringing you a fun yoga session in honor of Halloween, and the whole family can participate. So go grab the kids and get some yoga in. Halloween's one of my favorite holidays, so today's practice is going to be not so serious, but a lot of fun. If you like yoga videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week, and it's an easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. Come get into a comfortable seat and bring your hands down to the knees and close your eyes. And just begin to notice the breath. Notice the inhales and exhales of your breathing as we begin to settle in for this special practice. On your next inhale, you can go ahead and open your eyes. We're going to do a little fun breath work today. It's called lion's breath. You get to open your mouth and make noise. So, to begin with, sit up very tall and straight. And you want to breathe from your tummy all the way up to the throat. So just inhale. And at the top, open your mouth and say, let it all go. Good job. So we're going to do that again. Just imagine whenever you open your mouth and letting it go, you're letting go of anything that may be bothering you. Just let it go. So let's try again. Inhale. All the way at the top. Exhale. Let it go. One more time. I'm going to stick my tongue out this time. You should too. It'll be fun. Inhale. And exhale. Let it go. All right. For our next inhale, let's just reach out in front with mummy arms. And exhale, just kind of come forward. Get a nice stretch in the low back. You can bring the elbows down. Just breathe here. On an inhale, rise back up from the grave and turn over to the left side. Exhale down over the left knee. You're just taking a few breaths here each time. Inhale, rise back up, come through the center and come over to the right side. Exhale down over the right knee. Inhale back up, come back to center with the arms. Exhale, bring them down. We're going to come over into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. So just come over to the side. You can bring the wrists underneath the shoulders and bring the knees underneath the hips. We're going to do some cat and cow stretches. On an inhale, just arch the back and blow the stomach down. Look up with your head. And on an exhale, breathe all the breath out. Look down. Not arch like a cat, like a Halloween cat. Inhale up. Exhale down. Arching the spine like a scary cat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Now come back to a neutral spine in the middle. Reach forward with the right hand. Reach behind with the left foot. And imagine there's a string running from the top of your head all the way back to that foot. You're trying to keep it nice and straight. Just balance here like you're levitating in the air. Breathing. And exhale, bring the right arm and left foot down. Now we're going to do the other leg. So inhale, rise the left hand up and the right foot behind you like you're levitating. Again, string all the way from the top of your head all the way down to your foot. Nice straight line. Exhale, bring it down. I think you guys have it. So let's just do it like it's a dragon march. So inhale up, right arm, left foot. Exhale down. Inhale up. Left arm, right foot. Exhale down. Just keep going. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Good job. Now let's just bring the butt back to the heels and reach out long with the hands. Bring your forehead down towards the mat in child's pose. Take about 2 breaths here. On an inhale, come back up into your tabletop position. Now we're going to tuck the toes and come back into downward facing dog. So after you've tucked the toes, just come up with the hips and then push back with your hands, bringing the hips backwards towards the back of the mat. You can keep a slight bend in the knee if you want to. We're going to pedal the feet here, so just pedal, pedal back and forth. You're doing some strange monster march. Now, come up on the tippy toes and exhale. Bring the heels down as close as you can. Look in between your hands. Step forward to the front of the mat, in between your hands. And let's grab each elbow and just hang here like you're a zombie that hasn't really gotten their sea legs together yet. Just hang here and sway back and forth, keeping a bit of a bend in the knee. Just breathe. Now let go of the elbows and rise all the way up. Reach up tall overhead with the hands. And exhale, hands to heart center in prayer. Now let's step out wide. Come to the middle of the mat. Legs out wide. Bring the arms out to the sides. Then inhale up tall overhead. Turn both feet out towards the sides of the mat. Exhale, come down into a bit of a squat position. Now reach the arms out in front. We're going to do a bit of a monster march here. So inhale, come up with the right foot. Exhale, stomp it down. Inhale, up with the left foot. Exhale, stomp it down. Inhale, exhale. Let's just keep going. Inhale, exhale. Maybe make that face again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Now let's straighten the legs, bring the arms down. Reach up overhead, and now reach back out to the side. Turn the right foot to the right side of the mat, and let's just bend the knee. Just come down into warrior 2. Gaze out over the fingertips. Now straighten the leg. Turn the right foot back forward. Turn the left foot to the back of the mat. Bend the knee. Come down into warrior 2. Take a few breaths here. Now straighten the leg. Turn the left foot back forward. Exhale, bring the arms down to the side. We're just going to heel toe the feet in until they meet in the center. And now we're going to continue with our marching, but it's going to be more of like a Frankenstein march. So bring the arms back in front again like you're risen from the dead. Inhale the right foot up, bend your knee. See if you can hold it for 2 breaths. Just balance. And exhale, put it back down. Now let's try the left leg. Inhale up. Exhale down. Good job. Put the hands down. Now we're going to really turn it into a march on the inhales and exhales. Inhale, up with the arms, up with the right foot. Exhale down. Inhale, left foot and the arms. Exhale down. Just keep going. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to do tree pose, and we're going to make a spooky tree out of it. Let's come up on your right toes and turn the leg out to the side like this. Now pick up the heel and just put it here beside your calf muscle. Don't put it beside the knee. You want to keep it beside the calf muscle. You can stay here. You can reach out in front, or let's make a spooky tree out of it. Just reach out like this. Balance here. If you want to get fun with it, you could wave your spooky tree. Wave it back and forth. Woo, and try not to fall. Okay, and let's bring the foot down. Now it's time to do the left side. So come up on the left toes, turn out to the side with the knee. Bring it up over beside the calf muscle here below the knee. Don't put it on the knee. Now you can bring the arms in front, or if you want to, bring in spooky tree arms up overhead. And maybe wave back and forth and try not to fall. Whew. And if you do, that's okay. Just get back up. Okay, and bring everything down to center. Good job. Now let's step to the front of your mat. And we're gonna come all the way back down to the mat. Reach up overhead, tall, tall mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Bend forward. Look in front of you a little bit. Raise halfway up. Exhale, come back down. Step back, come into your tabletop position. Let's do a little yoga push-up. Just come forward. Yoga push-up, push back up. Push your hips back, tuck your toes. Come back into down dog again. Look forward in between your hands, step forward. And just come down to a seat on the mat. And if you have a dragon tail like I do, just get it out of the way. Now put the legs out in front of you. In Dandasana, staff pose. Inhale, reach up with the arms. Exhale, bend forward over towards your feet. You can grab the sides of your legs, you can grab your ankles, or you can grab your feet. And just exhale here. Just keep breathing. Keep a slight bend in the knees. Never lock your knees. On an inhale, come up. Now let's reach back behind us. Bend both knees. And roll all the way down to the mat. Once we're there, you can reach out to the sides with your arms out in a T. And on an inhale, you have your knees up like this. Exhale. Shoot the knees over to the left side. We're just windshield wipering back and forth. Inhale through center. Exhale to the right side, just like some windshield wipers on a dreary Halloween night. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Inhale them back to center. Now pick up your legs, leave them bent, flex the feet, and reach up with the arms in a dead bug position. Now we're gonna reach back with the right arm, forward with the left leg. Exhale. Now left arm, right leg, exhale. It's a dead bug march. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Good job. Now just bend the knees a little more. See if you can grab your feet. If you can't grab your feet, that's fine. See if you can grab your legs. And we're just going to roll back and forth. Just roll back and forth on the back. Now come back to center, bring the knees in, reach up, give yourself a big hug because you should be proud of yourself. You did awesome today. And release into Savasana. Just let it all go. Just let your arms flap out to the sides, let your legs flop out to the sides. This is Savasana. Savasana is corpse pose in English. So you're just lying here. You'll soon be the rising dead. Just lie here for your rest. And begin to rise from the grave. Make some small movements with the fingers and toes, maybe some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long for a big stretch, and you can just roll over to one side and stay there for a moment. When you're ready, press yourself back up to seat. And if you're me, put your dragon hat back on and come down to your comfortable seat again. Close your eyes and do a quick scan of the body. Just notice how it feels. Notice if it feels different than it did before you started your practice today. And thank yourself for coming to the mat today and taking some time to do something good for you. You should be proud. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and doing a little yoga today. I hope you have an amazing Halloween. You get to eat good candy, watch some scary movies or some unscary movies, and just have a great time. Take care of yourselves out there, my friends, and I'll see you next time. Whoa.